And would you recommend this workshop to anybody in particular?
Absolutely. Jeremy is a really great musician and a great teacher, and we really see his experience as an artist who's taught extensively within the school system as a fully trained teacher. So anybody who would come would have a great time, whether you're 4 years old or whether you're 40 years old, um, there's something there for everyone. And especially for
Nice.
teachers too, because the tools that he's teaching are very applicable for people who are learning to do this for the first time. If they wanted to do it themselves in their own classroom, then it's a great way to get kids up and moving.
I
And the
agree.
fun thing is that it's very, very physical. So even though it's virtual, you're up and moving all the time. So the advantage with virtual is that you have time to practice yourself. So you don't hear everybody else at the same time, which can be kind of confusing if you're hearing lots of rhythms at once. But because everybody's muted, when you have 2 minutes to make up your own rhythm, it's really yourself in your own space. So it kind of combines the advantages of virtual and also the advantages of being able to be physically active doing it yourself as well. In class, music and sound can be really loud. So one of the advantages of virtual is that you have a quiet space to explore by yourself.
Yeah.
Jeremia as a person is just really warm and welcoming, and I think that makes any delivery that he does, whether it's in person or online, really engaging. He puts people at ease right away.